Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Dr. Mabrie, Kimberly here.
Yeah, and in this video, we're going to talk about the nasolabial folds. Should you treat them?
Yes, to treat or not to treat. So a lot of people will look at their face and their eye is immediately drawn to the nasolabial fold.
It could be that it's not your nasolabial folds, but it's the fact that your cheeks are sunken. That could be what's making you look older.
Exactly. You can see that in this patient here. Dr. Mabrie, you did this treatment.
Yeah, this is a great example I like to share with our patients. In the first picture, you'll see a patient who came to see us because of her deep nasolabial folds. And then after treating her for 2 years, her nasolabial folds are gone. Now then after that, we learned that, hey, maybe we shouldn't be treating the nasolabial folds so much. And now we've treated the mid-face and cheeks. And you'll notice that she actually has more nasolabial fold in this third picture than she does in the second picture.
Right. She does, but tell me, which one does she look younger and more rejuvenated?
I like her in the final picture. Her mid-face and cheekbones look great. She does have nasolabial folds, but she looks more youthful than she does in the second picture, where her nasolabial folds are gone, but we haven't treated the mid-face and cheekbones.
Right.
And so interestingly, historically with fillers many years ago,
Stop. It's not that many years ago.
Many years ago, before, all we were treating was nasolabial folds. But then we sort of found that that wasn't really fixing everybody and that the cheeks are more important. And I would say then for several years in our practice, we weren't treating the nasolabial folds at all. We'd say, hey, you don't need to treat that. You need to treat the mid-face and cheeks. I'd say the answer now is something in between. It's okay to treat your nasolabial folds, but first, make sure that the mid-face and cheekbones are in the proper position. And if the nasolabial folds are still bothering you, you can put some filler in the nasolabial folds themselves.
Perfect.
All right.
Thank you. That was
Yeah,
very informative.
thank
Dropping
you.
some knowledge on us.
I hope that video was helpful, guys. Until the next time,
Stay beautiful.